sand dunes. But Honda 250R, two-stroke. There's three-wheelers, there's four-wheelers, there's two-wheelers. She may not look like it, but she is an adventure dog. Zoe the adventure dog. Getting some adventure this weekend, that's for sure. All right, without the background noise of the trusty Honda. Oh, and we got the dog commentary.
She's ready to go.
Yeah. There's the day use. So there's a day use area with the bathroom. We stop there often. All right, well, it's August 1st, Winchester Bay, Oregon. And there is what looks like an unsanctioned, kind of unorganized group, and it's all Honda 250s. There's a few other rigs scattered out there, but Honda 250R, two-stroke. There's three-wheelers, there's four-wheelers, there's two-wheelers. Winchester Bay, sand dunes. Discovery Point campground is over here. You used to be able to shred right through the middle here, but they closed those off. So you kind of have to go around. And you can see they're still here. People camping out on the sand. Gorgeous day here in August at the Oregon coast. Get a few clips for you here, maybe share them on the YouTubes. All right, since we're going way off the path for this channel, I had to share this one for my daughter Jessica. The sunflower welcome ornament game strong here. Well, forgive the panting, but trying to do a little bit of running, a little bit of walking. Can't help but stop. Check out the scenery. Look at that wild rhododendron. A lot of those down here, and they're all really healthy and big. All right, just a couple more. Beautiful little lake. It's got a running trail around it. It's a green, gorgeous summer morning. All right. Made it to the east end of the lake. Oh, great. Nice. Amateurs. I'm going to be sore tomorrow, but this was a nice little morning exercise activity. Listen to the birds, the water slapping the shoreline, I guess it's called. Can't think straight because, you know, I'm trying to stand up here. Anyway, great day. Thanks for watching. All right, well, I know this isn't usually the nature channel, but there's a rhododendron right there by the water. Wild. More in the background, but look at this. What the heck? 30 feet. right? That's one right there. Love me some rhododendrons. This has got to be beautiful in the springtime. I'll have to check that out. Monday morning, Winchester Bay, pretty calm, things quieted down, not as many rigs out here. Beautiful summer morning with a nice view of the beach. I'm stalling because you're going to get that view here in just a second. Wait for it. Very nice. Driving with no hands. There's the beach. Zoe the sand dog. She doesn't mind cruising around, but she has to get out every once in a while and explore. All right, without the background noise of the trusty Honda. Oh, we got the dog commentary.
She's ready to go.
Yeah. Yeah. There's the day use. So there's a day use area with the bathroom. We stop there often. There's somebody tearing it up. Beautiful shot of the coastline. Not a ship or a boat in sight right now. So they're taking a break today. Beautiful day.